Charlotte, congratulations on your award. It was so exciting hearing about all the things that you've done and that you do. You addressed the UN earlier this year about inclusion in Australia. Was that nerve-wracking? Were you nervous?
Well, at the start, yes, I was nervous, but I got into it.
Yeah,
as well.
That's amazing. And I also hear on the more fun side of things and the less serious side of things, you actually love karaoke as well.
Yes.
What is your favourite song to do karaoke to?
What's the Girl on Fire? What's my favourite?
That is a great selection. Okay, so what's more nerve-wracking, talking to the UN or singing Girl on Fire?
I was like talking to the UN.
Yeah, that's fair. You probably do Girl on Fire in your sleep.
Yeah.
You brought so much joy into that room with your speech. Everyone was smiling. It must feel nice to make everyone feel so good tonight.
Yeah.
Well done. Congratulations. Going to get a high five.
Thanks.
Have a great night. Go and enjoy your dinner.
Yeah.
Thanks, Charlotte.